Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about that how we can connect Magento with the Pimcore. So I have installed Magento Connector Bundle and you can see there are two options, API configuration and field mapper. So first of all we will go on API configuration. In this you have to enter your Magento endpoint URL, access token, the class which you want to select as a category and a product class. Okay, so from the drop down you can pick the class which is your product class and then you will save it. This value will be saved in the website settings. Okay, then there is another option which is a field mapper. So we will go on the field mapper. As you can see, uh, these are the Magento fields and these are the Pimcore fields. And right now Pimcore field is blank because we have to select that from the category which field we will map with the Magento name. Then this will be true in both cases. So we will select only parent category. All right. So these are the two categories and we will save this. This values will be saved in the database in a separate table. Then there is a Magento. There is a product field mapping and these are the Magento fields and you have to map the fields which you want to use for product from the Pimcore class. So right now I'm selecting these fields. For example, if you have any price field, this one, okay, status. Status is true, so I have not created a field for that. And then you can choose a category. Category, yeah, this is the category, right? Uh, Weight, which is mandatory for physical items. Then there is a hero image. I will select this hero image. Okay, this will be the main image of the product. And then let's select short description and long description. And as of now, I'm selecting the same description for both field. Once this is done, okay, you can click and this will be saved. Now we will go to send these objects to Magento. So as you can see in the accessories, I have two categories. I will create one additional category. Let's say call it a screen guard. All right. And then I will enter the screen guard. Remember one important thing that Magento ID, this field should be available in the category and the product class. Because when we will set our product on Magento, so in return, it will provide us the Magento internal ID, which we will save with the relevant object. All right. So now I will select the parent category and I will save and publish it. Now I will click on the sync to Magento. And as you can see, in return, we have received the Magento ID. You can make this field hidden as well. Now, if I go on Magento, I will refresh this page. You can see there are two categories and I have refreshed it and I can see that there are three categories now. All right. So this is how you can send the product as well. So if your fields are mapped already, let me just change the value of this. For example, this is the update call. So if I will make this a nice bike, I will save it, publish it. You can see this product is already synced on Magento.